Hello guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video we are going to discuss about a new campaign that we created for our client from New York. The company is water damage and fire damage restoration work. So let's first quickly see about the sample landing page. So this is how your landing page should look like. You should have a call to action in your first fold or header section of your landing page, uh, and your basic all the services you have should be mentioned here, and about your company a brief description, and if you have user reviews on your website or on Google My Business profile, then it can be done here as well. And again, here is a call to action, your phone number mentioned, the contact details, and that's how a basic landing page should look like. Let's go for the campaign details. Here we got 6 clicks, 138 impression. The campaign is fairly new, we are still optimizing it, so we don't have much data over it because as you see, the CPC of this water damage and fire damage campaign is more than it ranges between $28 to $40 sometimes, because the order size, the order value is pretty high. The job price is very high, it ranges in thousands of dollars. So that's why the advertisers have appetite of spending that much of bid amount, and that's how the industry standard is much higher than usual. Okay, and let me tell you that we are promoting in New York and its nearby regions. All right, and you can see that here are our competitors, and we are actually most of the time we were on the top of them. That's a good sign. Here's what we have spent: $228, got a CPC of $37.98, 6 clicks and 138 impressions. Here's a sample of the ad copy. You can see that we have used location insertion here. So for example, someone is typing from New York, so he will see basement flooded, we can help, same day service in New York, fast basement flood cleanup. Call now, New York's best choice for water damage cleanup and flood water cleanup service. Here are the assets that we are using, and apart from that we are also using call assets. If we go to ads and assets, so you can see that we are using call assets as well. Here's the call asset. Okay, apart from it, water damage is this campaign is water damage. What we have done is we created a water damage campaign, fire damage campaign, fire damage call ads campaign, soot cleanup and smoke damage campaign, and fire damage maximize conversion campaign as well. So we are just testing out that what bid strategy and what campaign structure works well for us. For example, if it's a water damage restoration campaign, then we have got 3 ad groups here. One is dedicated to only basement flooding, so all the keywords related to basement floods comes here. All right, and then it's a basic generic water damage ad group, in which all the keyword related to water damage restoration comes here. And then here the keywords like we have water damage, for example, keyword like, yeah, who to call when basement is flooding, basement flooded, who do I call. So these kind of keywords has been put into this who to call ad group. And if we see the ad sample, then you can see that if someone types who to call, then they will see call us when basement is flooded. So that's how we are actually targeting on the basis of user psychology. Examples are user typing who to call when basement is flooded, so he will see call us when basement is flooded. So that's how you resonate with the user, you display them what they are looking for, and that's how the conversion happens. Okay, so we are currently using manual CPC and with the check of enhanced CPC. So that's what we are currently using, and that's how our ad is these are all the ad copies that we have, and that's how our ad is performing. We got here, you can see that we got one conversion by spending 227 USD. But the thing is that my client told me that, you know, instead of this one call, it came from the asset. That's why it is recorded here. But he got 6 calls that day because the developer didn't actually put the Google tags properly in the landing page. So that's why the calls from the landing page didn't get recorded here. So actually, instead of one call, we got 6 calls. So it was pretty good day for the leads purpose. In 2228 USD, we got like 6 to 7 leads, and that's a good thing. The average CPC we got is 37.98, almost $38. So we are currently testing out more things, testing out different bid strategies like maximize clicks, maximize conversion, and manual CPC as well. And because the average CPC is very high, so you get lesser clicks in this particular amount of budget in a day. So it takes a lot of time to get things, get data from the Google Ads system, and to optimize the campaign further. So we are currently working on optimization of this very good campaign. So if you're looking for these kind of campaign to run for your business, whether you are in home services or travel or whatever niche you have, we are handling many clients in travel industry, and one client is from water damage, and we are also running solar panel providers. We are also running spice exporters and different campaigns as well. We are Google partners, okay, and with Google partners, you see that you get automatic credits to your account when your account is linked with our MCC. And if you want us to manage your campaign or Google Ads account, then you can schedule a free 30-minute meeting with us. The link is in the description. You can fill out the details. We will contact you, schedule a Google Meet session with you, and we'll discuss about your business and how we can take it forward. Well, I hope you like this video. You can follow us on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and visit our website. The link is in the description. That's all for today. We will meet in another case study video. Till then, take care. Have a great day. This is Ankit Srivastav signing off. Bye.